Magtato po kalame na sumufua. O may nasulua, manay tato sa bali tato lesi team, manay pintu, manay lahat sa Italia. Sa pangunguna ni speak, the Holy Spirit ni tato fatasini. Maybe iya ipokia tua na sulua, o may nasulua. Mafitai ia tua lesi sini mapepe na fainga tato tuunga pau sa fatino. You know, thank God that no one was hurt from the regatta. Everyone enjoyed it there. You know, we have the Fautasi. You know, there's joy with the Fautasi, but it doesn't last as long as the regatta that we had, the Upbreaker regatta. So we started from 10 in the morning and finished around 2, and that was so enjoyable. Enjoyable by all. I saw it, that's a regatta. Te na afiriki e pati mai. E tato uo me na stofi, o pola solua sapati no e tato faro, I luma I whaftai. A whai tato faro, e tau e isi o tu faro. A whaftai e tu e se le faro, aula se tumu. Ma nei o manatu sapahia. Manatu e tu e whae lei e tato wa oma. De ngata ia muli bai. Wai nei se o tato te o mai e whapea tato mimita o tato malisi o tato mopu. Ai whare tō o tato wa oma. Whaftaia i atua ia o tō sa awai o tō manatu whānia. La whaamato manatu e tāpenai mo lea walu lumo o tato wa oma. As I said that night at the Marist Forum, we have so much potential here. St. Joseph's College and Moody Valley Primary School are the last remaining all-boys schools in Samoa. And their locations are central, for example, for Moody Valley. And you witnessed here at our corporate dinner last night, the real potential of Nye. Because you see that you can home, you can pa, sefe, como pa. If we develop this place, look at it. If we make this world beautiful, Fakokoma, because all the chairs and tables you're using, rent. That means it's going to cost us money. But if we can have all those things in here that people can rent and use, we can make money during the holidays. Or maybe families can have family reunions here. Not just here, but the classrooms as well. We make money from it. You know, God has blessed us with wisdom. Let's use that wisdom for the good here. For our resources, wide corporate work, we should utilize it. Kasi celebration fia o ala koyola ia leisa ala but on mena to maawai kako bai ka fia ako o ngasi to lo ai fa ma ko ta to mai ia awara ni mata I fa pe more celebration na lo mai no sa no le ai we will look at making sure that our network continues. We will continue to send newsletters and messages over for you guys so you know what's happening here. And it's up to you, the affiliates overseas, whether you want to contribute or can contribute. Tato malisi so sineta via malfaftai. Pestu lamana tato. Let's make use of the potential. Let's make use of our network. Fama e punto matamai for imalia tumo. Mo I tato wa oma. Let's see if you know what's why ye ole tato speed malisi. After telling Allah, or tato speak ma isma lian la uma faramika ne sa pa o ona na uma 5 pillars of malis. Ma lian la no ta o tu la uma na mai as the 5 pillars of malis. And musu musu todo. Esse man ne 5 pillars of malis. Lian la uma na mai 5 pillars of malis. But you know what? If you were to apply those 5 pillars at work, at home, I'm telling you because I apply those 5 pillars as well. So take for example, one of our businesses, we have 240 people that work there. And I know everyone's name. And we have different branches, and every week I visit every branch because of that pillar of presence. You gotta be present. You gotta know and love your people. And then it comes to level work, and they say, I papi work, I kaya ba ay mayor o fena luin o isi siya pagi. No. So if you apply that at work and at home, then I may not have that way. Fact like hindi. We have tayo na po, pag-iyo na po lang. Pag-mafaro nga sa todo, ese lang mo mais. Wala sa todo. Pag-kain mais, naway pa pema. Pero sa kanya hindi kasi isi, pe foi outro ali, I also have my own faults as well. E a parte eu estou no esse não estou falando. Akala pela. E aí vou mais nesse But if I can ask you guys, be committed, I'll continue to God. When we fasted last week, Friday, can I ask you one more time to fast? To fast, give thanks to God. Tonight, 12 o'clock midnight, we start our fasting. And then tomorrow at 12 o'clock midday, but I'm just requesting if you can. Just to thank God because of His love and kindness and His goodness for us, all of us in the team. I'm not going to thank everyone because I might miss someone or some group, so I really thanked everyone last night. I hope I didn't miss out anyone. But all I can say now is, God will hear us from overseas. Thank you again so much for coming. We really appreciate seeing you guys come here. Thank you very much for coming. Yang lele tato maftama ya misele ayefedela ya pate Maris malamusta lamo tato mafuta ya bola la omnida lufa mala mbele tu. God bless and save for